Today, we are going to test the limits of the Traxxas Bigfoot. Can it survive a 50-foot jump? Can it survive slamming into a pole at 40 miles an hour? Find out. Stick around in the video.
What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing a 3S Valenian system on this bad girl right here, the Bigfoot. We're going to see how this thing rips. Let us know how long you think it's going to last.
So as you saw from the last video, this Bigfoot is so much fun to rip around. It only has the little XL5 brush system in here. We're going to see what happens when we put this bad boy 3S system on there. See if we can get it screaming. Probably going to scrape up the bumper a lot more. We'll get it all figured out. Because we don't have a mounting plate for this thing, we're just going to use some 3M tape, slap it on here. Should be perfect. Dog.
What is that?
That's the wire to make the ESC run.
It just came off?
Crash. Yeah.
Oh no.
So during the installation process, the little wire that actually makes this thing run decided to fall off. Crash. So to salvage this, there's a little wire. To salvage this, we're gonna take it out of one of my slashes and continue on with the video. We're on there. So that concludes the ESC portion of today's video. Moment of truth. Will we get power?
This is a 90 tooth. For the pinion, we're gonna go with a 23 tooth.
23 to 90.
Just gear it up a little bit since we're making this ridiculous. This one's a 14 on the original one. And there's the size difference, so hopefully it'll do 100.
Yeah. I hope it will too.
There's not a chance it'll go that fast before flipping over.
Got power with the 3S system. Alright guys, here we go. We got the Bigfoot with the Valenian system in there. Go see how she does. 3S power! Woo! Alright, so we got the GPS on the 3S Bigfoot. We're gonna see how fast she goes. Jeez.
Oh my God.
This thing's insane.
That was probably like not even half throttle.
No. Pole. It broke something. That was a pole, man. Man, I hit that pole so hard.
What did he say?
It killed something in here. The GPS fell out, but it's
so
all good.
I will tell you right now how fast you just hit that pole.
So we hit the pole at 40 miles an hour. Oh, look, I dented the whole pole. Look at this. Yeah. Wow, dented the entire pole. The battery pulled out, but look, it took it. It took that, no problem. So we just smacked the pole and we're ready to go again. Well, after further evaluation, we broke the servo completely out. Broke the servo savers / cage, whatever this is. Yeah, and this truck was brand new. This truck was literally like 2 days old. Well, it did take a pole. You're right. It took a hit to the pole. It'll still run though. Who cares? Let's keep her going. That's probably like I'll jump it. Merv said it can't take a jump. You really think it can't take a jump, man? It just took a pole.
I think it can take a jump. I'm gonna be real.
Oh, yeah. Since this thing is all broken and messed up, we're just gonna go ahead and send it as fast as we can off of our mega ramp. Let's see how it does. Here we go. Whoa! Oh no! What happened?
Dude, that was so high up.
Yeah, it was.
That was way high.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait.
Way bigger than I thought it was gonna go.
This thing's a beast though. I think the gear just popped off like you said. This thing's hard to kill, I guess. We got the wrecker out here bringing me home. Call that X-Wing Uber. All right, we're back in the shop. So we found that our axle popped off its little cup here. The pole did to the screw. That's a boomerang almost. Or we completely destroyed the front here. Broken cage. Broken servo. Jeez, look at that crack. It looks even worse in here. Servo. Whee! I can't mess with a servo. And the front is also messed up. But it took a telephone pole at 40 miles an hour. I say that's pretty good. But we're gonna fix it a little bit and bring it back out. All right, everybody, we're about to hit this ramp flat out on the road over here. We're gonna hit that ramp flat out. We're gonna see what happens. Ready? Here we go. I think it's good. It's good. Just lost the little lights, that's it. The KC lights.
Oh, KC lights down.
Let's hit it one more time. Oh! Oh my God. Wow, that was a huge jump. I think it's good for another. Oh, axles. Actually just popped out.
Oh, this one.
Oh, that one's. Oh no.
They're too bad.
Oh no.
Front ones.
The front one.
Shock's blown out too.
Scraped up. What'd you guys think?
Sweet.
Was it pretty big?
Almost made the backflip.
Oh, really?
Were you going for distance or you trying to hit a backflip?
I was just going for speed, man. I was just going for distance, whatever it was gonna do.
I thought about halfway. That's what I thought. Oh, he's trying to get it to.
Yeah. I was trying. Man, this $80 body.
Dude, it's good to go. Just need to pop that guy back in.
Oh no, not my suckers. Not my suckers all messed up.
There you go.
Oh yeah, don't forget the KC lights.
Fixed it.
Let's go.
That's
Oh, well.
Bigfoot 4x4x4.
Yeah, and it's not even a 4x4.
I don't even know what that means.
And it's not even a 4x4. So I'd say it was a semi-successful day with Bigfoot on 3S. She took quite a beating, as you could see from the video. Got a little bit of body creases on this beautiful Bigfoot body. It'll be all right. And zip tied our servo down. Gonna have to replace that. Gonna have to replace this front bulkhead. Gonna have to replace this bracket, servo saver, whatever. But all in all, this thing was running good on 3S, and we're gonna have to get it all figured out and see if we can get some better drive shafts for this baby. It was a good old time. See you guys in the next episode.